Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to change the background on CapCut. So let's get started. Initially, we're going to bring the video down here into the timeline and we're going to make the cutout of the background for this clip. So we click on it and then we go to the top right corner under video, click on cutout, scroll down and then click auto cutout. Now that you have your background cut out, we're going to grab the background that we're going to add. And so I'm going to go to library, scroll down, and we're going to click on this planet. And we're going to put it on top first, and then we're going to switch the positions. Now click on the planet, and we're just going to make it to size. Perfect. So now we have cut out the background and added a new one. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.